Most people waste up to half their water every time they run a sprinkler. A drip system fixes that, and it's the one thing that actually drought-proofs a garden. Sprinklers throw water into the air, onto leaves, across soil that's already wet. A drip system puts water exactly where plants need it, directly at the root zone. If you want a garden that handles a dry summer without you hauling a hose every other day, this is what you set up. A drip system releases water slowly at soil level. None of it touches the leaves. None of it evaporates off the surface. Research shows you can cut water use by 30 to 50% compared to overhead sprinklers just by changing how you deliver it. There's a second benefit most people don't expect. When leaves stay dry, a lot of common diseases stop showing up. Rust, mildew, blossom damage, all of those are tied to wet foliage. A drip system eliminates that entirely. The setup is simple. A main supply line runs from your outdoor faucet. From that line, smaller drip lines extend out to your plants. Each line has emitters, small drippers that release a slow, steady flow right at the base of each plant. The goal is to keep the root zone consistently moist, never saturated. You're avoiding the drench and dry out cycle that stresses plants and weakens them over time. Most garden centers sell complete kits with everything you need for a basic installation. In spring and fall, your garden needs about 1 inch of water a week. In July and August, aim for 2 inches. Running your drip system for 20 minutes still pushes water deep in loamy soil. 1 inch penetrates about 16 inches down. Add a timer. A basic mechanical timer costs very little and shuts the system off automatically. Computer controllers in the $50 to $80 range let you program specific days and times for the whole season. You set it once and walk away. Lay mulch over your drip lines after installation. Mulch eliminates almost all surface evaporation. The water that enters the soil stays there. Plants pull from that moisture reserve during dry spells, which is exactly what drought-proofing means. One afternoon of setup, and your garden handles drought on its own. You use less water, plants stay healthier, and you stop worrying every time a dry week rolls in. Full setup guide at Yardener.com.